Hello guys, my name is Tomek from the Roots Cocktail Bar in Warsaw. There is a new great product on the market, Elixir of Ceylon tea by Dilmah.
Presenting the Elixir of Ceylon tea, hand-picked pure Ceylon tea, made on our own tea garden in Rilhene Estate, low in sugar, incredibly convenient to make, and what a variety of beverages. Frozen, iced tea, chilled iced tea, sparkling iced tea, tea cocktails, mocktails, incredible beverage innovation. Enjoy.
Today I had a great pleasure to join the Dilmah School of Tea 2019. I perform a Flair show and prepare 5 different creations based on the Dilmah Elixir of a Ceylon tea. An amazing product for not only smoothies and mocktails but also for cocktails. I just have to say that this is a beautiful product to work with. It gives you a lot of variety, a lot of different flavors, and brings you a great essence of a Ceylon tea to your creations. Give it a try.